Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having Chrysler 300. If you need to find the alarm fuse, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Some of you may have this one, some of you may not, depending if your Chrysler 300 is equipped with that option. We'll talk about that and we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money and time. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically guys, this is the 3.6 V6 engine that we have, but even if you have a different one, it should work as well, as long as you have that option. This is the fuse box that we have here. You can see what we have to do in order to open. You have on this side, you squish towards each other, pull straight up, flip it on the side. We have the fuses and the relays located right here. So the fuse that we will need to check, it's actually not known as a alarm fuse. Okay, it has specifically different name, and this is known as actually intrusion module guys. Intrusion module is the same as an alarm. So if you come right here, you will notice 1, 2, that second fuse that ours is missing. It should be a 10 amp fuse. That's the alarm fuse. Our Chrysler 300 does not come with that option, so it will not have it, but that's where you're going to have guys, okay, the alarm fuse right here if yours is equipped with. It's super important to test fuses because it's often really hard to tell if they're burnt or not. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses in the description of the video below. Check it out and it will teach you how to do that step by step, and check how to test relays, fuses, and we'll put a link where you can buy replacement fuses, relays for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.